So in last lecture we introduced about the pattern of examination or other things regarding to the botany paper first plant diversity. So this is the name of our paper first botany, that is plant diversity. So it is the oldest branch of botany in which different kinds of plants or different groups of plants are studied, their thallus structure, then their reproduction, etc. These things are studied in this paper. For this paper, you may refer the textbook which is available in the market of Nirali Prakashan, Plant Diversity, for term first and term second. You may refer this book for your reference, and whatever the notes present in the PPT, you may write in the separate notebook. Previously, I tell you that you make separate notebook for this paper and write the definitions or notes or some important things regarding this chapter, and prepare your note. Question bank is on website of our college. You may refer this question bank and try to solve the questions after completing the chapter or topic. So this is our first topic, plant diversity introduction. So first thing is we see the definition of plant diversity. So plant diversity is the study of different kinds of plants or different types of plant groups which are present on the earth. So here study is made regarding to the occurrence of that plant, then their thallus structure or their structure or morphology, external morphology, internal morphology, and reproduction, and lastly we see the life cycle or any importance of that group. So this is the pattern of our study, and from lowest group to highest group we complete the all plant groups starting from algae to angiosperms. So this is the first chapter, that is introduction of plant diversity. So there are near about 3,45,000 plant species on earth which are of different forms, structure and reproduction. Plant diversity is enormous in tropical zones than temperate zones. In temperate zones, the temperature is very lowest or ice is there, so plant growth is not possible. In tropical zones, the environmental conditions are suitable for the growth of plants, so their number is high in tropical zones. Then we see the different diversity rich countries in the world. There are 25 mega diversity nations and India ranks 11th in this. First rank is of Brazil, in which 55,000 species are occurred. Second rank is Colombia. Here 35,000 species are occurred. Then Mexico 25,000 species, and India have 11th rank where 15,000 species are occurred. Then we see the statistical data of plant groups starting from algae to angiosperms. This is the comparative table. Here we see the plant groups, total species in world and total species in India. Algae 27,000 in world and 2,500 species in India. Then fungi, then lichens, then bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. So this is about the plant diversity. Then here you may make assignment on this topic, and the question for assignment is the importance, what is the important, write a note on importance of plant diversity. So here you may write the different groups of plants, that is definition of plant diversity, then different groups of plants, and you may write the importance of different plants for human beings. For example, plant gives us food, fodder, shelter, then medicines, then industrially important plants are there, etc. etc. So you make a note on the importance of plant diversity, and for this you may refer the reference book which is available in the market of Nirali Prakashan. After this we see the classification or outline of plant classification, and then we discuss the different general characters of different groups of plants.